Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel, and today we're going to be doing another nail tutorial, but this time I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove your deep powders or deep tips. So I've had these nails for like 2 weeks now, and I thought I'll just take them out and try something new. So this is what I'm going to be doing today. If you want to see how I achieve my natural nails back, keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. So things you're gonna need for this process are your alcohol. You just need a little bit to just like be wiping off the dust. You need pure acetone. You can't use any polish remover, you have to use acetone. I bought this from Amazon. And you need like anything that you can dip your nails in. I have this dish that I got from Amazon too, so it's like you just put water at the bottom and then you rest your fingers on top, which is really reliable. And you need cuticle pushers, any of your choice. I got these two here. And of course you need your nail file and nail buffer. I got this both from Amazon. So the first thing you want to do is just remove the top shine layer of your nails. It just helps like the acetone really get into the nails. You don't have to, but it will just like speed up the process. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna file just a little bit of the top coat to just remove the shine and make the acetone like work even faster. Okay, so now I'm moving on to the next step, and in this dish, the bottom part you have to put warm water. So even like hot, it depends with how fast you want to do this process. So then on top of like where each section of the finger is, that's where you pour in acetone, and the hot water or like the warm water underneath would like activate the acetone and make it work really fast. So like trust me, it works wonders. Like if you just use acetone, it might take you like an hour to like soak off your polish or like your deep powder, and it won't come off. So yeah, I'm just pouring acetone in these little finger sections with my hot water underneath. I put like really hot water underneath there, so the process was like really simple. Okay, so then I'm just gonna soak in my fingers, and for this case I only have one hand that I'm gonna be removing the deep powders, so I'll just put in right there for like let's say 15 minutes, and then be checking in between to see like if anything is coming out or what. So I'll do that for 15 minutes and I'll be right back. Just an update, so this was actually 5 minutes in, not 15. My fingers were feeling tacky, as you can see, like the powder is coming off all the top coat. I don't know what that is, but yeah, my fingers were like really ashy. I guess it's from the acetone, but it's fine. It's not like they're dry, it's just like the ashiness on top. You can wipe it off. I went ahead and started like scraping out whatever came out, so it was like really okay, because the first layer, like almost like half of it came out the first time, and that was just 5 minutes. So yeah, I'm just here like scraping off like whatever comes in. So like if I really put it the second time in, the acetone will get on the hard part that didn't come out. So yeah, you really have to be checking in between your dips, so you know, like to scrape off whatever comes off and leave whatever was still hard. That way it just makes everything easier. And I have to admit, it looked a little bit messier, but yeah, it was okay. And I'm so sorry, my hands look so ashy right here, but yeah, it's cool. They were not dry or anything, it was just that color. So okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put them in for another 5 minutes and see what happens after. Okay, so 5 minutes in, another 5 minutes, and this is what it looked like. So most of it was already coming out, as you can see. Like I was scraping out like almost everything. I mean, you can now like really see my natural nail coming in. So yeah, and I actually went ahead and warmed again my water. So I changed because it was getting cold, the other water I had, so I put another one, and it was like again hot, so I guess that's why like the process was like really fast. So you can see like I'm almost done. So this is what my fingers look like after the second wash, in the second dip, sorry. Yeah, so it was like really tiny bit of like tacky layer on my fingers. That's why like I went in and like put them again for like 2 minutes just to get that out, and then I will file the rest if it's any residue. Okay, so this is what my fingers look like right now, and it's really dented because of like the scraping and stuff. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and file everything, just to remove everything, make sure my nail is completely clean. Like I'm gonna file the hell out of these nails, but you don't have like to be too harsh, just preparing it to be buffed and like, you know, create that rough surface, take all like the dirty layer on top, and yeah, you'll be done with it. So I'm just gonna do that with all my fingers, and I'll show you guys what's next. Okay, so now that I've filed my nails, I'm gonna use these lint-free wipes and a little bit of alcohol just to clean my nails and remove all the filing dirtiness. As you can see, my fingers are ashy and it has all those like tiny particles around them. So that's what I'm doing, just cleaning them all with alcohol. Okay, so now we are almost to the last step. So here is my nourishing oil. I had this from the kit from Kira Sky. So I'm just gonna put the cuticle oil on my cuticles because they have undergone a lot today. Like, yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'll just put it on all my fingers and then rub it in and upward on my nails. And here we have our final results. My nails feel so good, you guys. They feel so soft and healthy and all that kind of shebang. So yeah, here we have the final result. That was pretty much easy. Like really, it was easy like to do that. So if you guys were wondering how you can take off your gel polish, and this apply to gel polish tips and dip powders, this is what you're gonna do. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, and please don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys.